national security abe picking am so how na say me ne the only nam body just say otu anu tiem na me no yere any nkomo bit ma summarize what happened.
Okay, so Afrifa Emilia. In the media they say I believe say Ghana and India say yeah it's about finding for yeah it's 5 and 6 who Okatakyie who speaker who Okatakyie yanka bin shemu ye nyina ye wo law school e wo gempa enumre ye tro mid semester exams nti ye nyina yakọ school a yakọ tro exams a ye wi a ye befie me ne kra papa mu e wo Christian Village Junction nti na ono no use the Christian Village enclave akofa dome e de akọ baby a okọ ana afemi so me use the Achimota Golf Park no area ni. That was around 6 minutes after 8. Yeah, Papa, Mumina me di kind tuka and on also a to D mechi. Then at the T junction or no branching, I me call straight. But me kono, just few meters away from baby, yeah, separately, you know, I heard a siren, a womechi. So I even thought, say, dear, I'd say ambulance, and I say, I mean, military car be na airba. Man, shut down for my dream, so. And just when I'm at Achimota police station, I made drew runabout in the so Jolu Junction, this was maybe a multi-choice one. Then the calls started coming. Say, just when I left in national security, I intercepted Okatakyie, and then he's been arrested. It was quite surprising, but quickly, the first thing I could do was to contact Yenia or no a lawyer who has been leading us, I mean, for all this while, or no issue be or contacting, or no the dilemma. He's a lawyer, precisely. And my friend now I was say quickly, no, yeah, homeboy. Initially, na ye nimbe be or more edeno echo. And we pulled out certain calls to certain people, and finally, no, meaning me no, it me identify baby or more edeno echo. And we went to the national security, Blue Gates, and your call, your cutting and then other lawyers started say or more join the national organizer of the New Patriotic Party, Nanabi, and Mamin Nanase, na minna the incoming youth organizer, Krobi Asante, currently deputy communication officer, I mean no I say minna Habib Jerry, your friend is saying Wija enclave no I'm a member of parliament and then deputy chief whip no were there to support the SC and by and large this is what is happening now the actually the ochina no pa charges ni wo and no Americans ochina no you be the home komo the yedanya me ase wo ho no say at least he's been released as we speak just a little after 10 p.m. and a release, and as we speak, he's been released. But the charges any idea and come a woman in a deck. My menda was munino, my idea. I was a Friday was also a call back to the national security. Friday, yes. I'll be reporting back to the national security. We'll be there.
Why
you need the national security for a really woman a bectre, someone no watch you, arrest you, you under investigation, and see the real charges, you know, but then we have the opportunity to say any lawyers a better statement then we see how I mean we proceed with this whole matter. And see that is what to the best of our knowledge, say your call honor. He was upstairs and then we were down. Almost shy in. We sat. I mean, we waited. Said you been had the opportunity together with the lawyers. I know more available. Lawyer Fokwa, lawyers Dennis Jomo, AJ Jomo, and then the rest. John Darko, Omunyinano came to support. And we just wait and say whichever particular charges they have against him. As we speak, there. He's not been charged of any offense. That is what it is.
I don't know if final on Friday and the update, bro. I don't know your final words, Albeka.
The final words, no, say, a lot of things are there. I made the home come. Deck Mamina was say, you're a smart guy. Where you can't have a first bite of the SC, but a lot of people are more 18 or more person what really transpired, even at the national security. A drew hono near my course so hono. Or channel pay bedi hunkomo ewo marching so on Kesbed. And see all the people can join, tune in, and we'll have a national conversation around why they do baby intimidation near there. I mean, I don't know baby, it will not scare anybody. We've already said somebody like me, watch me. I don't lose anything, and I don't care. You know, it is the nation, and we know. I mean, some of these things are part of the job we do. You'll be there, harassment, intimidation, all of that. I mean, we'll come together, but we also speak, and no, we'll not stop anything. And see, and then there. You're no credit ever. If it is a show,
yeah.
No, Pagawa. Biggest thing.
Okay. So, yeah, this is a convoy. Let's say Afrifa, National Security Fund. So this is a convoy.
That's not organizer. One thing, what's your point? There's no movie natural.
Okay. Okay, yeah. This is the update of Yajano. As at 8 o'clock, 8:30. But as at 10:14, Yajano. So this is the update of economy.
And ye moa na ye hunu say ensem bi de nam social media ne ade na nyina ekokọ wie so Okatakyie Afrifa mensa yo no eye ensem twoni for the records ne yi social media and wote ya ne wototo komsa ne ma bia sisi de ekoso my gadam no bo ho amane ye nya ne tie say ye national security for wo ma kwafa branch de so kwakwacho ne exam so wie ye na mitsem wo tro wie ya na ne jese bedo ano ede no koye se de ne fa he se kosi he ne nam ene ye se ya peke no ya che no and I'm saying ya for the quadrature no and a young son crata be free a year MPP one more a church for Penny General Secretary and chain you're a quadria from Pong and crata finish about trouble and the water so what condemn say and amona and this ya bay water no and try not just a name some trophon what can some trophon what to say won't be able to make a sa will be uncanon to not just a don't be a woman and ye and no qua and a buyer a we no a trin and 70 p1 so the sounds in the one year one more church no kwa we che sanso kwa hu flyer bia na na mo mo che say release aye Afrifa mensa now che say na no so nam sa ne kojan call ene nam te no na dwode na nam monte so wo social media so a wusia bia na de na ekoso do no enti de dim we etro na we tro kokwa we che no ena ye sanso nya nte say wo ma ja no na security for ja bra to ma release no na emu no ye hunu say ye rafenyo maken wo kasa de fa ho enye no kwa ekwa we che ne lawyer enokafo akwa na wono so ejina mu bi dendenden Henry na naboache wo mo ene MPP amanyoko na lawyer fo bi na ekoko jina mu ma branch ekwa echi no wo mo eyi no sa edienti enyina so ne san edien ne ba ya samba no kokan ya na national security for ehye so beba na wode eye evidence anasa dance die enyina so ntia wode kan sansam no wode beba na nyina ye nsem bia besie ne no ye nyanyamu entimu ene ntiase kosi say national security so mo de beba bonti dia no mo dia ba ne hunu se bia ensem bi se ne so kan ye se ye NIB so kan se nti ne wo so ba na obeyi ne ho ano e de ho adanse de ba nye so be sore no wa chansa ke kan sam sa keke no afa ho di ti me no we ka sai de Okatakyie Afrifa mensa na Secʊrity magya no ese wonko na ehwehwemo so ebeto so yegusu ebomoden ese lawyer Enoch Afuakwa yensa ebeka no ono ne lawyer ne wogire mu ama Okatakyie na adin koma bisa babia no wo a wo mo ensa kan wo se de nkobodie no ekoye da ben wo sande de ho akoyi ensema no na fie de no so nchemu no ye de ato so
etimi no kase Okatakyie Afrifa mensa ya what the host for the records me no kase few minutes ago National Security for editing tente action wo Kingsby atimota Kingsby beside Holma obi ani baby kra omode Afrifa mensa eko etino that's the breaking news out there say Okatakyie Afrifa mensa me no kase ye kan wo Ghana ti say ya che no National Security for editing tente from game park watching Kingsby baby ko modern ko di yinim so modern ko abone so why nso a yinim it we are monitoring the system.